see a lot of bottles are moving. Wow.
How?
Oh.
How? Big?
Yeah, it's a big catfish. Wow, the first catch. And we caught a big catfish. It's not moving. Oh, no fish. And still have the bait. Oh. Oh. There's a big albino catfish. Oh, that's a new fish.
How?
Albino catfish again.
Wow.
Yeah, there's a big catfish. Oh, and you see, that's bottle. It go back there. No fish?
How?
Oh my God, that's a giant fish. Oh, look at that one. Wow, it's a monster catfish. Oh, and that's a huge fish too. Wow. See, we use a tiny bottles, but we caught like a giant fish. Oh, I think we need a bigger bucket. Yeah, it's too big for it. Wow, it's about 20 kilograms. Oh, that's one.
Wow.
Oh my God, another giant fish. Wow. I can't believe that we keep catching a lot of big fish. Wow. It's really awesome to catch a giant fish. But we caught two for today. That's why I always say this is really amazing bait. We highly recommend it for you guys to try it. Yeah. Wow. You see the size? Really awesome. Yeah. We still have like 3 more bottles. Oh,
Wow.
oh, another huge fish.
Wow.
Wow, look at that one. Hey, it's a giant red fish. Oh, it's kind of strong. It has been raining a lot. That's why the water it goes over her head now. Oh.